If you need to block someone on Western Union, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure and your transactions are safe. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Western Union website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Isroc to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find blocked users. In account settings, search for an option related to blocked users or manage contacts. This section allows you to view and manage individuals you may want to block. Step 4. Add the user to block. Enter the details of the person you wish to block, such as their name or email address. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to block this user. Step 5. Confirm the block. After adding the user, you will typically be asked to confirm your action. Review the information and confirm that you want to block the individual. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone on Western Union and protect your account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Western Union's customer support.